So yeah, this is one of those epic videos you really want to see because yeah, there's just another circuit I've created, and this is really interesting. This is supposed to be a replication of the linear regular amplifier of John Bedini, and he didn't give a circuit really. All he gave is you know, the way to make it. So like, he told us to have a capacitor of some sort, and then some sort of beta multiplier. You can find online actually what it does and how it's supposed to be made, and then some sort of a linear regulator, which you can see the output stage here and the op amp regulator there, and also he used some sort of comparator. So I have two LEDs right here, and an output stage, which is basically the load. And yeah, he showed some other components were on that board of his. I don't know which they are, and since he doesn't tell it, this is what I've got. So let's hook it up and see what it does. So yeah, I had to take out the op amp because I broke it, and another pot meter. Actually, one leg here broke off, so there was no resistance on one side, so it didn't work, and so many things. I mean, at some point the light didn't come on again, so I had to solder because one of the lanes of the Vero was broken. Oh my god. So I got it working anyway, and then oops. So yeah, I just hooked it up the wrong way around, but it still works. Lucky! You don't have to do those things too often. So yeah, I'm back, because you know, the camera was full again. Oh, this SD card is too small for this. So when I put my screwdriver in the drain plug, you can see I can dial it up and down. Dial it all the way, or all the way back down to nothing. So this obviously changes the voltage of the output. Oop, you can also see the comparator LEDs are going on. So basically it's the same thing. It's a dual op amp circuit, and one has a voltage reference and the output capacitor voltage positive going to another of the op amp, and so the same counts for the comparator. It has also voltage reference, and also this actually it's the same output capacitor reference, although the comparator tries to kind of steer, right? Because you have it on a different setting, and so it doesn't have the transistor to steer it, so what it does is just completely open. So therefore you get the comparator effect. You can see that. So you're saying, what is this thing? He's showing this green and red LED, and how do you know it's gonna work like the way it should? So it's actually very simple. You just dial it a bit down, and there you go. Put it on a green setting, right? And then I say I short this capacitor a bit, so it's not charged. Let's say it's not charged. Right, it went to the red LED for a tiny bit, right? So you see when it's charging, wait, a little bit more down. So that's actually on the edge, you can see it better maybe. So yeah, so you can see when it's charging, and when it's at the right voltage and the same voltage of this as this reference, you get the green LED. If it's not at that voltage, it's gonna show the red LED. So basically you can set a setting like 15 volts right here. You can set a setting right there at 16-ish volts, or a little bit below, like you put 15 here and 14 there, and then you put a battery to charge on this side, and then when the battery has reached the right voltage, the LEDs will go on. So that's it basically. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.